starting. We're recording just like last time. We're just going to learn our lesson. Can I have this, please? Because I remember asking these to be put away.
I don't give it to me.
Yeah, they need to be put away. Anything in your hands need to be given to me. Thank you. Okay.
Give me a hand.
I want, boys and girls, I want to remind you what we were doing last time. This time, watch me. Watch me really closely because I want you to see what I'm doing first. Okay, ready? Before, we used to try to sound out words by starting here, right? On. Just like last time, I want us to try to decode words. Remember what decoding means?
Yes.
Okay.
You go in the middle, see the word, you know, and underline.
Do you remember what a code is?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick. I am going to underline the word part that I know. I know that this is or. So I can now, once I underline this, I can go back and start, and I'm going to say torn. Correct. I want to do one more. Okay? Again, you can see with the or. I said or first, and then I'm going to go back, and I'm going to start with this ch, or. Okay? Okay, what did I do first? Jayla. I'm sorry. What did I do first? Jayla. Remember? Does somebody want to help her?
You underline what's in the middle.
First. What did I do second, Rodney?
You took four.
After I read this, I
Or
went,
you underline or, and then you said the beginning word, and then you underline that.
and then I underlined the whole word. Why did I do this, Spencer? I'm sorry. It's not Devontae. I know your name, but for some reason.
You said Devontae!
Oh, it is Devontae. Okay. But you have a brother here, don't you? Okay, that's why I was
Yeah,
confused. Yeah, okay. Go ahead. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing the last part first? Can anyone remember?
So you can figure out the word. So you can go back to the beginning?
Okay, what's so that I can, but what am I looking for in the middle? I'm looking for
A
what?
word you know.
A word I know in the middle of a word. Correct. Okay, now we're going to do this as a group. Okay, now we're going to practice, and we're going to practice all together. What's the word in here that we know? Give me a show of hands, Trey. You can't see very well. What's the word in here that we know? Cyst? You're right, that says cyst. So now what are we going to do?
Go to the beginning and say insist.
Insist. And so now let's say the whole word real quick.
Insist.
Insista. Does anyone insisted? Okay, does that help? All right. I'm going to, do we want to do one more as a group, or do we think we know Spencer? Okay, we've practiced this, but I just feel like we need a little bit more practice. Today we're going to read our book, and all these words are in our book.
What?
And they're hard words. I went through the book. Not that one? Okay, I went through the book. Okay. I went through the book and I found words that I thought you might struggle with, and I printed them off, okay? So, you probably know that word. I want you to work with a partner and do just like I did. So what's going to be first? Jayla, why don't you and Tremond work together? You guys work together and I'll work with, you ready? So go to, here, let me do it this way. Go ahead. I'm going to give you each a word, and then you show your partner what you're doing.
I think
1, 2, 1, 2. Ones go first. Oh, you need pens, don't you? Okay.
I won.
Get which one you want.
I forgot. Am I one?
I see that.
I wasn't looking when you said the word.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ones go first. You can do it. We did it last time, and you guys did very well. Okay, we ready? So, no, I want you to tell Rodney what you're doing. I want you to look, oh, I'm sorry, you're working with me. I want you to tell Spencer what you're doing, just like I did, where I said, "What, you wanna watch me with Devontae?" Okay, watch. Ready? I see ing, and I know ing, so now I can go back and I can say inged, ping.
I'm gonna say
Okay, you go ahead.
rat. Thank you, rat. No rat.
Okay, what do you think that is, that word pattern in there is?
No.
Let's try the ending first.
This is the universe.
What is this sound right here?
A. Those, it.
Ed?
Did.
Dead, okay, so what, now I'm gonna go back and say what, plus, odd, plotted, you got it. Try that, show, okay, that's fine. Did you show Jayla what you're doing, honey? Okay, I want you to go over here and say, just like I did, say, Jayla, I know this word is per. So now I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna start at the very beginning, right? What does this sound? What? M? You got it now, let's do the ending. There you go. Okay, very good. Do you want to do another one while you're waiting, Devontae? Spencer, did you show him? Did you show Rodney? Did you feel like Rodney had it? Spencer? Okay, Rodney, did you feel that Spencer had it? Okay. Jayla, why don't you do this for me and Tremont?
I found it.
You found it? Okay, you're going to share that with us in just a sec. So go ahead and say, just like I did, I know the word. So now I'm going to go back and say,
Can I do another one? No.
one, yeah, you need to make sure I have enough. You say it again, honey. Announce. Very good. You guys have picked up some big words. You didn't know this word when you first saw it, right? And you did. You figured it out. You decoded that word by looking for patterns that you knew. Okay. What did you say? Listen. Let's listen. Let's let Devontae have a chance to share what he found. You see? Okay. But I heard some sounds in there. Why don't you give me just one sound?
The whole word?
No, he's going to. Here. Devontae's going to share. Guys, please stay with me. I know it seems exciting. It's really not that big of a deal. It's just teachers that are going to watch you. Okay.
Ever?
Ever? Okay, that's fine. Now let's go back. If this is ever, go back.
Shivered.
I said shivered. I love those words. I said, did you hear that, guys? Do we want to try again? Can we try part? Because I feel like you guys aren't, I know that we practice partner sharing in here. You practice partner sharing in your classroom. But you all still seem to not really prefer it. And there's a lot of good when you share with your partner. Okay, so let's do a partner share one more time. Twos will go first. 1, 2, 1, 2. Trayvon will work with me.
I was one.
Oh, did I mess that up? Okay.
I'm one.
Yeah, but he was one. Okay, 1, 2, because he was one last time.
2.
You're 2. 1, 2. Are we ready?
What? I had to go last again?
You're first.
I'm first again.
Because I just said you were first last time, now you're second. Ready? Say 1,
2.
2. Say it. 2.
1, 2. I had to go again.
Oh, I got what you're saying. No, ones are going to go first again. Okay. Ready? You're 1. I'm 2. Are we ready?
Yep.
Okay, I have some more words here. I'm so proud of you guys watching you say words that were hard for you. Okay, ready? Okay, go. Here's your pen.
And I found it in frown. Ain't this word?
Does frowned make sense?
Yes.
what does endings usually do? Do they say ed sometimes? Say that real fast.
Founded.
Founded? Do you know what founded is?
Is this bulky?
And frown. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this. Now just try to just sound out this word right here. What's that word say? If you were just sounding it out. No, if this was someone's name. Ned. So now try it again at the beginning.
Frowned.
Frowned. There you go. You got it.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, honey. Hi, sweetheart, you're working with, he's working with Jayla.
Oh.
Okay. So you watch Jayla go, okay? Stop. I heard Trayvon say something I loved hearing. He said, I found and then I went back and said, stomped. I heard I said and I heard I found, and those are good words. Go, Jayla. What did he? No, we're gonna wait for them and then we're gonna read our book. Let's go ahead and put our pens up. Well, I think we have enough because we are gonna do more, but this time we're gonna do it in our story. Okay, yeah, I know, it's been fun with words, but what's the purpose of knowing these words? Why do we need to be able to sound out words? Okay. We are going to put our caps on our pen when I say go, go, go. Go. Put your caps on your pen. Go. I know. Thank you. Hand me this. I'm going to pass out your books. Thank you. I think we have this a little bit better. I'm glad we took some extra time to practice. Our book is Blizzard. Rodney, I need all of you with me. I don't have enough time with you as it is, okay? Who remembers the video we saw yesterday about blizzards?
It was a blizzard, and then these people was walking in. It was a snow power truck, and it was full of snow. At first, it was the ambulance going because anybody was hurt.
Okay, what was yours?
It was people trying to get through the snow. Yeah, I think it was.
Okay. I think what I'm going to do this time, because I want to watch you and help you go through this, first off, I want you to see this book, because there's two sides to this book. There's a fiction, and if you turn it over here, it's an informational text. It's a really cool book. Okay? So, right now we're going to read the fiction first, and then we'll go back and we'll read the informational. You don't have a book, I see. I don't know why. Okay. I think what I'm going to do, Spencer, Jayla, and Tremond, I'm going to have you guys partner read. I'm going to have you guys partner read. Because I want to see you practicing this. What are we going to practice? What are we going to do when we come to a word we don't know first?
Sound it out.
Sound it out how?
Look at the word that you know.
Look at a word that you know. Are we going to start at the beginning? Sit at the table, please. I can't let you guys over there. Sit at the table. 2 people at that table, 2 people at this table. Raymond, I'm going to ask you to read with these guys. Who's going to do your reading with these guys? So I need you to scooch over there to them. I'll see if I have any of these. I don't know where they're at. Here they are. If I give you a number, the highest number goes first.
The highest.
Highest number goes first, or whatever it is that you have.
Yes. Yes.
No, he goes first.
The highest number.
Yeah, the highest number. Yeah, he has a 5.
Let him do it, because I want to hear him decode. Okay.
Go first.
The weather turns there. Don't be so.
Do I go first?
If you have the highest number, who has the highest number?
He does.
I do.
He does. He has a number.
Turn right here.
I'm for.
You ready?
And some
Go right there.
little brother and neighbor's face.
What are you going to do first? find one word in that word,
No.
one word part in that word,
Bowl.
you know.
All. 1, 2, 3.
What's the matter? If I tell you I see the word in jar, does that, now go back up here and sound it out.
My math class, cheese.
Okay.
Cheese.
Left out, and not yet. Okay.
To.
Calendar.
Cloud.
Okay.
Cloud over and. Rain. Fell. It turned to ice and paint on the window. Then
It's a year.
wet
How would this year go?
tumbled from the sky.
If it's, go back, if it's December 3rd,
A bad storm is headed or
thank you.
1,000 or
19,
early walkers can leave now or wait to be picked up.
go ahead, Jayla. I want to do this one time around so that I can hear you guys breathe. And hey, partners, help your partner. If your partner gets stuck, don't tell them the word, but help your partner to use the strategy of finding a pattern inside of a word. Okay? So go ahead. So did you see what I did, Spencer? So could you maybe do that if Trayvon or if Jayla gets stuck? Okay, thank you. And could you guys do that for Spencer if he gets stuck? Okay. Go ahead, Jayla.
It's almost winter weather and boots and snows and weather turns bad. Don't be so stubborn and snow and duck out the Ellie pulled on her boots and jumped out the farmhouse. By the time they reached able she stopped at the neighbor's fence to stub her hat and mittens inside her book hat. Her mother was always telling Ellie that she was too stubborn, but she hadn't wearing hairy snow pants. She frowned all the way to school. I'm so cold.
No, do, okay, this is when you guide him. Go ahead, what's a word part you know in here?
Covered over the.
You know where, okay, what about this last part? Okay, now go back, Woodford, good, you had it the first time. Thank you, I'm sorry, Devonta, I didn't really give you a chance to help him.
Windows.
White.
Thin.
Wet.
Able. Wet.
Scar.
Snowflakes. Tumbled from the.
What's the word you know in here?
Together.
Try this one. Remember when we were doing rhyming words?
No,
There's words. You want to help him?
Together.
Tell him a word part that you recognize.
I.
He's telling you a word part.
Business are coming to take you.
No, he just said this word part.
I mean, this is.
I. He just gave you I. Now go back.
To be picked up.
I. Sure.
But the able from the class, she
I.
bundled them both into hats
Tie. Sure.
and mentioned the boots
Say it fast.
and the
Tie.
snow
Sure.
pants. Able
There
stuff
you go.
her footprints in the snow and stuffed out her time and had snowflakes. By the time they reached the bend in the road, the snow was almost to the sky. Almost made she said, so I swear they cold. He whispered.
Okay. Did you guys catch that? Okay, Jayla, did he say it correctly? You're all right, you're all right. Trey and Jayla, look inside of that word and tell Spencer a word part that you recognize. You got it before you could do that. Okay, go ahead.
Pickup truck.
You did
And
it.
always looks behind them.
Okay, you got it.
The wind. She asked April and snow at
I haven't heard you, Jayla.
field in their footprint. Ellie shivered.
Yes, he is.
She had never seen a storm come.
Okay, you got stuck, guys, Jayla. No, I want you to tell them a word part that you see in there, maybe the ending.
And
Okay. Sound it out now. Love, you got it. Thank you, Spencer, for helping them.
About people who fell or sleep and never woke up. Mother said the hair was stubborn. White Ellie almost missed the. He would be stubborn.
You got it. Okay, Rodney, where's he at?
yeah, what's the
Kerner, where they
Okay, you're looking for a word part. Try that first. Which one are you missing?
turn.
What are you asking him for this one? What do we know about this word right here? Let's look inside of it. Look here.
Around the corner,
No, look here. Is this the word you're having trouble with?
the wind hit
No, I'm not reading it. He reading.
the face.
I just finished.
Okay, I thought you were trying to help. Good job. Okay, got it.
I thought he was like, I'm going to get us on. She said, but how it was hard even to see
Looked behind
the road, the snow came up
already
to her
in
knees.
their footprints.
Now
Only shivering,
she done
seen a storm
their
coming
book.
on. So
It's gonna be time to go.
And
Let's go ahead and put your marker in your book so you know where you're at next
all
time.
carry your shoes.
Thank you, Spencer, for putting that away. We're gonna finish this up. Put your marker in your book.
I'm gonna read it.
Oh, you wanna finish that up real
a
quick?
little, but he
Okay, guys, thank you.
but it
Wanna say hi?
darkness came around.